Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear students, we start chapter number 4 and exercise 4.1. This chapter 4 is about partial fraction. Now the question is, what is a partial fraction? Now first I write this question number 1, then I explain the partial fraction. Now this is resolve 7x minus 9 over x plus 1 and x minus 3. Now this is exercise 4.1, and we see here in this exercise, in all questions the numerator consists of linear factors. Now x plus 1 and x minus 3, and we will use only one method in all questions, and we solve the. Now this is resolve into partial fraction. Resolve into partial fraction. Partial fraction. First of all, what is the fraction? The quotient of the quotients of numbers or algebraic expression is called fraction, and quotient is indicated by bar. Now this is bar. Quotient is indicated by bar. Now here upper side is called numerator and lower part is called denominator. Now here denominator consists of a linear factor, and for linear factor we will use in this exercise a method we explain here. Now the question is, what is the partial fraction? The partial fraction is decomposition of this fraction into partial fraction. This is again, what is the partial fraction? Partial fraction is decomposition of this fraction into partial fraction, and how we can do, I explain with the solve. When we solve this, then we explain we resolve this fraction into partial fraction. We also will see the degree of the numerator will be less than the degree of the denominator. First you will see fraction, it means the fraction will be proper fraction. Now this is a first question. I write this question and resolve in partial fraction. Let first again this 7x minus 9 over x plus 1 and x minus 3, this, and we write this in this method a over, now this a over this factor x plus 1, now plus b over this factor x minus 3. Now we say it is a 1. Now this is the component of a partial fraction. Now multiply both side by this factor, and we write here x plus 1 and x minus 3. We write this in this side x plus 1 and x minus 3, and multiply 7x minus 9 over x plus 1 and x minus 3. Now this is equal to, now this here also multiply these two factors, x plus 1 into x minus 3, multiply by a over x plus 1, this x plus 1, this, and again plus, write this factor, this x plus 1 and x minus 3, multiply by this factor b over, now this b over x minus 3. Now this, we write these in this method. This will cancel this, all cancel. You have only left side 7x minus 9 is equal to this will cancel this and this will cancel. You have only a over x minus 3 and plus this will cancel this and you have b over x plus 1, this x plus. Now not this, sorry, I am sorry, now I wrongly attempt this will multiply this. Okay, we write again, this 7x minus 9 is equal to, this will cancel this or you have this is multiply. Now a into x minus 3 and plus this b and this x minus 3 will cancel x minus 3, you have only x plus 1, this is. Now we use here the method to find the value of a. We put the, here we will use the zero method. This method is useful with the linear factor. When there will be linear factor in the denominator, we will use this method. Now for this method we put, this is our factor, this I write here x, put x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Now put 3 in this and 3 here, 7 into 3 minus 9 is equal to, and we put a into 3 minus 3 and plus b into 3 plus 1, this. Now will you see here, this is 0 and 0 multiplied by a, 0 plus, now we, this 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 4b. And now here 7 3s are 21 minus 9 and we here into 19, 21 minus 9, 12 is equal to 4b. Now is equal to 4b is equal to 12 and here b is equal to 12 over 4 is equal to 3. Now we have solved this. For b we put x minus 3. To find a, put x minus 1, put x minus 1, x plus 1, not x plus 1 is equal to 0, or here x is equal to minus 1. Now we put this minus 1 in this. Now we write this is 1 and this is 2, this 2. Now we again put here this 7 into minus 1 and into minus 9 is equal to a into minus 1 and minus 3, okay, plus b. b is here minus 1 and plus 1. Now this factor will be 0 and we write here minus 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 4a, and this will become the 0 because this 0 and multiply this 0, this 0. Now minus 16 is equal to minus 4a and minus, this minus will cancel this minus, and here 4a is equal to 16 and a is equal to 16 over 4 is equal to 4. Now we have, again see on next page, we write 7x minus 9. We write first 7x. Now the question we write for again 7x minus 9 over x plus 1 and x minus 3. We write there 1. We have written in 1. This is a over x plus 1 and b over x minus 3. This. Now putting the value of a is equal to, now a is equal to, we have find a is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. Now B is equal to 3 and A is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 3. Now again see, we have first B is equal to 3, A is equal to 4. B is equal to 3, A is equal to 4. Putting B's value, this is our 1 we have written before. Putting the value of A and B and 1, and we get 7x minus 9 over x plus 1 and x minus 3 is equal to, now A is 3, 4, we write a 4 over x plus 1, and plus B is 3, we write this B 3 over x minus 3. Now you see here, this is given the fraction, and we make the decomposition of this and convert decomposition into this, and this is called the partial fraction. Now this is the answer of this question. Now this is question number 2, resolve into partial fraction. First we write here this x minus 11 over x minus 4 into x plus 3, and we write this is equal to this factor A over x minus 4 plus B over x plus 3. This is our 1. We write this is number 1. Multiply both sides by this factor x minus 4 into x plus 3. Here we write x minus 4 into x plus 3 multiply x minus 11 over x minus 4 and x plus 3 is equal to, these factor we are write also here, is x minus 4 x plus 3 over A over x minus 4 into only x minus 4 and plus B, we write this x minus 4 and x plus 3 over B over only factor x plus 3. Yes. Now write these two factors will cancel this. You have only x minus 11 is equal to this. This will factor this cancel this, and you have A into x plus 3 plus B this, and x plus 3 will cancel x plus 3, and you have only B into x minus 4. Now this we have it. Now again we will use the zero method. We will use here zero method when the here are linear factors. Now to find A we put x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4 in this here 4 minus 11 is equal to A into 4 plus 3 and plus B this into 4 minus 4. Now right here again this will become the 0. My 4 minus 4 0 and 0 multiplied 3 0. Now here minus 7 is equal to 7A and plus 0. Now here again 7A is equal to minus 7, or here A is equal to minus 7 over 7 is equal to minus 1. Now A is equal to minus Now to find b, put x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 4, here we put x plus x minus 4, and here we put x plus 3 is equal to 0. This. Now x is equal to minus 3. Now this put minus 3 in this, and we get the answer in this. And minus 3 minus 11 is equal to a, and a now here we put to find a, we put x is equal to minus 4 in this, and to find b, put x plus 3 is equal to 0, and x is equal to minus 3, and here this will become 0, a will become 0, minus 3 and plus 3, and b is equal to minus 3 and minus 4. Now minus 14 is equal to this minus 3 minus 11, and this will be 0 multiplied by a, and plus this minus 7b, okay. Minus 14 is equal to minus 7b, and b is equal to minus 14 over minus 7, this cancel, and you have 2. 7 ones are 7 twos are, this is 2. Now we have a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 2. Put these value in 1. We get, this is, we have again x minus 11 over x minus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to a over x minus 4. Now we put the value of a here, minus 1, this minus 1, and x minus 4 plus b here 2 over x plus 3. Now this is the answer of this question. X minus 11 over x minus 4, x plus 3, and we have the value of a minus 1. We put the value of a in place of a minus 1 here, x minus 4 plus 2 over, this is to b value, b is equal to 2, we put here, and we get the answer. Now we write the question number 3. Question number 3 is x 3x minus 1 over x square minus 1. Now we write this fraction here, 3x minus 1, and this x square minus 1, we open this and make the factor of this, and factor will be x plus 1 and x minus 1. Now we make the factor of these, and x plus 1 and x minus 1. We write again this here, 3x minus 1 over x plus 1 into x minus 1. I write this again, same procedure, same method, a over x plus 1 and plus b over x minus 1. Multiply both sides by these factors, x plus 1 into x minus 1, this. Now multiply here, we write the x plus 1 into x minus 1 multiply by 3x minus 1 over x plus 1 into x minus 1 and here also we write these factors. X plus 1 multiply x minus 1 multiply by a over this x plus 1, again plus these factors x plus 1 and x minus 1 and multiply by b over x minus this. Now this will cancel with this, and we have 3x minus 1 is equal to, this will factor this cancel, and a into x minus 1 and plus b, this will cancel this, and we have only x plus 1. Now to find a, we put x, this x plus 1 is equal to 0, here x is equal to minus 1 n 1 in this minus 3 into minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1, we place minus 1 here, x minus 1 plus b minus 1 plus 1 this, and here minus 3 minus 1 is equal to a minus 2, and this will be 0, this 0 multiplied by 0, we write 0. It means minus 4 is equal to minus 2a, or here this sign will cancel, or you have 2a is equal to 4 and a is equal to 4 over 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Now a is equal to 2. Now we have find one value, a is equal to 2. Now we find the value of b. To find b, we put x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0, and here x is equal to 1. Now 1 put here in this. It means 3 multiplied by 1 minus 1 and is equal to a minus 1 and minus 1 plus b, here 1 plus 1, and 3 minus 1 is equal to a multiplied by 0, this 0, and this 2b. Again 2 is equal to this 3 minus 1, 2 is equal to 2b, or here we find the value of b is equal to 2 over 2 is equal to 1. Now b is equal to 1. Now putting the value of a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 and 1, and we write again this, and 3x minus 1 over x square minus 1 is equal to, now value of a is equal to, we have 2, a is equal to 2 over x plus 1 and plus b, here we know this is b1, and we write this x minus 1. Now this is the solution of and we have converted this fraction into this partial fraction.